Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change your phone's language. So first open settings. Then try finding general management. So now as you can see we find it, so open it. So as you can see on top we have language and input, so open it, and after getting this results go on languages. So go on add languages. As you can see we have so many languages to choose from, every single language you would like. So for example let's choose French, so as you can see, you've been given a chance to set it either default or current, so for us let's choose current cause it's not for a long time. Now as you can see it's been set, so to set it, click on it, then choose apply. As you can see it's been set to French, every single thing went to French from settings to every single thing that the phone has. So to shift it back, go back and choose English then apply it. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.